Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss about the topic direct and inverse proportion. Direct and inverse proportion. Okay, in this chapter I gave you one question. We will learn how to solve this question. Okay, now what is the question? Check if x and y are in direct proportion. They told to check whether x and y are in direct proportion. Okay, they has given some values. We must check whether they are in direct proportion or not. Okay, before going to the solution, what is the formula for finding that if two quantities are in direct proportion? If they are in direct proportion, if x and y are in direct proportion, how can you write? X is directly proportion to y, like this. If x and y are in direct proportion, we can write x is directly proportional to y. So, what is the formula to remove this proportionality sign? X is equal to ky. We can use constant k. Ky implies, what is the here? K means constant. X and y are quantities. Okay, I want k value. I am sending this y down to denominator. So, x by y is equal to k. Implies k is equal to x by y. This is the formula for finding the, if two quantities are in direct proportion, you can apply this formula. X by y is equal to k or k is equal to x by y. Okay. Now, by using this constant, that means if we divide two quantities, if we divide x quantity and y quantity, how much you will get? Constant value. The same value you will get. For example, not first one. See, in the first case, x is 1. In the y is equal to 8. Here, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 8. That means x by y. X by y value how much? 1 by 8. So, constant is equal to how much you got? 1 by 8. In the second case, x by y value 2 by 16. Second case, x by y is equal to 2 by 16. 2 1s, 2 8s. So, 1 by 8. Again we got the same value. So, we will call them as constant. Constant means getting the same answer. All answers must be same. We will check whether we are getting or not. Case 1. Case 1. In the case 1, x is equal to how much? 1. Y is equal to how much? 8. So, x by y is equal to constant. We will check. X means y. 1 by 8 is equal to k. Okay. Implies k is equal to 1 by 8. This is in the first case. In the case 2. Case 2. Case 2. This is case 2. X value how much? X value is 2. X is equal to 2. Y is equal to how much? 16. Y is equal to 16. What is the formula? K is equal to x by y or x by y is equal to k. Both are same only. Here, how much we got? 2. X is equal to 2. Y is equal to 16. In the place of y, 16. 2 1s, 2 8s implies k is equal to 1 by 8. This is second case. In the third case, 1, 2, 3. Third case is this one. X is equal to how much? 3. Case 3. Case 3. X is equal to how much they gave? 3. Y is equal to 24. Y is equal to 24. See, what is the formula? X by y is equal to k or k is equal to x by y. K is equal to x by y. Okay? What is k value here? 3 by y value how much? 24. Y value is 24. 3 1s, 3 8s implies k is equal to 1 by 8. See here first case 1 by 8 you got. Second case 1 by 8. Third case 1 by 8. If you get in all the cases, if you get the same constant value, then these two, the x and y are in direct proportion. We will check the remaining cases also. Okay. Case 4. Case 4. What is the fourth case? X is equal to how much? X is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Y is equal to how much? Y is equal to 32. Y is equal to 32. K is equal to x by y. Is equal to K means x means how much? 4 by y means how much? 32. 4 by 32. Okay. 4 ones 4, 4 eights. Implies K is equal to how much? 1 by 8. This is case 4. Case 5 we will see. Case 5. Case 5. X is equal to how much? 5. Y is equal to how much? 40. Y is equal to 40. We will apply the formula now. Okay. K is equal to x by y. Okay. Is equal to x means how much? 5. By y means how much? 40. 5 ones, 5 eights. Implies K value how much you got? K is equal to 1 by 8. This is in the fifth case. In the case 6. Case 6. Case 6. Case 6. What is x value? X is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. Y is equal to how much? 80. Y is equal to 80. X is equal to 10. Y is equal to 80. So K is equal to x by y. Formula is equal to x value how much? 10. 10 by y value how much? 80. Okay. 1 0 1 0 cancel. Implies K is equal to 1 by 8. If you observe, in all the cases K value is same. First case 1 by 8, second case 1 by 8, third case 1 by 8, case 4 1 by 8, case 5 1 by 8 and case 6 1 by 8. In all the cases, constant is same. In all cases, K is equal to 1 by 8. Same. So, x and y are in direct proportion. X and y are in direct proportion or direct variation. Both are same only. Proportion. Understood? Like this, we must solve the given question. If they are in direct variation, what is the formula? K is equal to x by y. What is the formula? K is equal to x by y. If two quantities are in inverse proportion, what is the formula? X into y is equal to k, or k is equal to x into y. If two quantities are in inverse variation, what is the formula we have to apply? X into y is equal to k, or k is equal to x into y. By using that formula, we can solve the inverse variation also. In the next class, I will teach you how to solve the inverse variation question, and in direct variation questions, we will learn how to solve the unknown variable. Unknown quantity they will give. In the place of 32, sometimes they will give as x. They will ask you to find out x value and y value. At that case, what should we do? In the next class, I will teach you how to solve those questions. For that, you please follow, subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.